Hey everyone, it's Lethal Logic X. Welcome back to another video. So continuing on with these challenge locks, this one is called 67 cents. It was pinned by Average Picker. Of note is the fact that the key kind of sticks in this one. You really have to wiggle it to get it to work. But the key does in fact work. So let's see if we can get this one picked. Clamp it up in the vise here. So I'll be using top of the keyway tension with this Sparrow's pry bar and one of my Sparrow's SS Dev picks. Alright, so we got nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, 5 is binding. Got a good click on 5. Okay, a little bit of core movement on it. We got some binding on 4, that might be some counter rotation. Might have got that one set. Might be getting a bit more counter rotation on 5. Not too sure. Might have got a bit of a click on 3 there. I think that's counter rotation on 2. Okay, I think I got a bit of a click. Okay, got some clicks there on number 1. Okay, got another good click on number 5 there. I think that was a click on 2. Click on 1. Got some counter rotation on 2 there. Got another click on 1. Oh, big click on 4. Might have gotten a click on 5. He might be overset though. Bit of a click on 1. Yeah, it might be overset. Let's see. Yeah, I heard some stuff falling back down. Okay, that was good counter rotation on 4 again. Click on 1. It might be counter rotation on 2. I'm gonna try switching picks here to something a little bit deeper. Gotta click on something. I think I felt the core move a bit. was another good click, either 4 or 5. I gotta click on 1. Oh, definitely got some core movement that time. Got a good click on 2. Counter rotation on 1. Oh, there we go. Alright, I tapped something. I think that was number 2, and I got it open. Excellent. Here's the key, by the way. Pretty nasty bidding on it. Alright, let's get to gutting. My handy dandy tray. We have my worst favorite type of core again. Hopefully this doesn't go shooting me in the eye again. Okay, we disarmed that bullet. No, spring doesn't want to come out. I guess it can just stay in there. Alright, grab followers and a shim. Always wise to shim. And probably this one. Beautiful. Alright, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And we'll get these driver pins out. There's 1. Oh, number 2 is very strange. Oh, wait, there's more. Ah, that one came with like a little master wafer in behind it. There's the spring. Whoops. There's number 3. Number 4. Oh, forgot to dump a couple of springs out. That's the 3rd spring. And the 4th. I'll get number 5 out from the back. There we go. Whoop. Alright, so I will flash some close-ups up here like usual. Some very interesting pin work in this lock. So all of the key pins have been modified. Some interesting spools and serrations on them. All the driver pins are quite unique as well, especially the number 2 driver pin. It's like a double-sided T-pin. Very strange. It explains why it had a like a little master wafer above it to balance out the spring pressure. Anyway, I believe that is all I have for you on this lock. So, if you liked what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and don't forget to have a good one.